Hey guys, this is Bass Chasers. We're going to be doing creek fishing tales with my father. He's going to tell us stories about his creek fishing experiences, some of his craziest fish stories ever. So I'm going to head upstairs and we're going to relax, talk to my dad, hear his stories, while he has to talk about creek fishing. And I'm up. Upstairs, Papa, Father. So you have a couple good fish stories? Creek fishing?
His credit, he was one of the first people that brought the fishermen to the public. When we bring in the fish, he puts on it on the board, and we all have a table in his restaurant with
The steelhead?
whatnot. He makes that connection.
A really good one. I remember we got out, we were fishing and I think this was like, I think it was actually the one that I actually let your mom grill in. For some reason that one was special to me.
I got
And
you.
we got down and it was like in the 6 o'clock hour. It was just daylight. And it was real cold that morning. And I remember the sun was coming up in the east. And it was just breaking over the tree line. It was like casting pretty nice good heat, but like the steam off
Yeah.
the creek was really, was coming off pretty good.
If you mute the TV because I can't hear you.
And I remember taking food. Fish were really good that morning.
Hey Dad, can you mute the TV?
What?
I can't hear you.
I'm sure it, but I remember the fish were really moving around that morning. And, oh shit. But I remember before I hooked into it, I seen it come up through over the, it's not a waterfall, but it was the main start of the rapids. And what it was a little drop down. So like, there's a section of rocks, that's what it was built out.
Oh yeah.
The water flowed, and so like it did have a little drop there. But he had came up, busted right through that real fast. And then and there was a tree there, and it's not there anymore. There was a tree there, and it forked out, and he went underneath the tree, and I was just, casting and everything by him and everything, to see if I could scoop him out. Probably about 10 minutes went by, just sitting there. Finally, he took off, went up a little farther. Well, when he went up a little farther, he went kind of to the side. So his back was just barely breaching the water, so like you could see that it was a fish there. And I remember I cast it right in front of him. It was like, and I think it was out of fear that he grabbed it. But I remember as soon as that thing hit the water, just the water exploded, pow, like that. Like right away, I was like that. And I remember looking at your mom, and your mom's eyes got real big, and it entered her hole. And it took her probably 20 minutes to fight that. She fought that fish for like 20 minutes. He was big.
Wide?
Huh?
Wide?
Like what?
Like, was he a wide fish?
It was. I'm gonna have to say, because I didn't land the fish, but that was probably like my biggest fish I ever hooked on my rod.
Besides the one in Salt Creek, Evergreen?
Well, I mean, yeah, that one, but I mean, like, that one I foul hooked.
hit in the balls by a steelhead once.
Yep.
Ouch.
And your mom met the person that said something to me about it too. Oh gosh, that's shit. Yeah, I was fishing like every day. I did like 20.
Sessions a day.
No, I mean like I did like 20.
Fishing trips.
Just hush. Did like 20 something days in a row fishing every day. I went down there 2 times a day. I go early in the morning.
Late in the
And I would fish. I fished till like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning. Wow. And I'd go home because I was like, I didn't work. I quit my job. I had money and I just needed some time for myself. And I had we'd go in the evening. I would go like after dinner. So I mean it was in August, so dinner was at like 6 o'clock. So I'd eat and I fish until dark. That's when I met all these different people. Like I actually fished with a teacher until he went back to school. No, but I mean, that's when I met the teacher, and like him and I fished probably at least 2 weeks every day together. We met at the same place all the time. Coffee and donuts, that's what we had. He met in the morning, he didn't come in the afternoon, because he was getting ready for school, so he didn't have to go until in the afternoon, so. But we would go fishing in the morning, and then that's when I came across the one kid. He was a lot younger than me, but he was, I think, he was in high school, and he came out there a lot, and that's probably why he remembered me too, and also the fact that I was standing in the water with my hip waders on, jumped into a really big steelhead, and everyone pulled their poles out of the water while I fought this thing. He was big too.
Probably the biggest one you ever caught.
I didn't catch him. And he came flying at me. And I remember I was reeling my line really fast. And then all of a sudden I didn't see my line, I didn't see nothing. And the next thing I know, this big old fish comes jumping out of the water, and he's dead. Boom, right in my crotch. I actually fell over in the water, where like my whole body got drenched and everything. Everyone was like, "Oh!" And like when I picked my pole up, he was already off. So like when he hit me, he knocked the hook out. Actually, I knocked the hook out when he hit me. And but he was big. He was
20 pounds at least.
No, the biggest one I ever caught was the one that I had my uncle in my uncle's freezer.
The one you got in the log jam?
Huh?
The one that you got in the log jam, right?
No. My cousin and I, we ate that one.
Ooh.
No, this one I caught, it was actually over 36 inches. Because the trunk of my car the opening was 36 inches. And he didn't fit through the opening.
Oh.
I had to bend him when I put him in there.
Yeah, bend them.
But that was the biggest one I ever caught.
Yeah.
And it was at my uncle's. I was going to taxidermy because he called me, and I didn't have the money. He said, "Hey, my freezer took a crap." He said, "Are you going to taxidermy that fish?" He's like, you got probably up to like a day or two, and I was like, I don't have any money. He's like, well, I might throw it away, and I was like, all right.
Yeah, guys, that was an interview with my dad. If you guys like that video, good night. It's like 12 on the line. I'm staying out here. We're gonna be probably going fishing at 8 a.m. So expect one of my first fishing videos to come out tomorrow. Make sure you guys give it a like. Bass Chasers out.